version of a Pimm's cup, which I'm calling my Pimm's cup Floweth Over. Now, Pimm's is a very particular thing. It's a gin-based spirit, and it's got lots of different flavors and herbs in it, but you really only use it for a Pimm's cup. So if you don't want to go out and buy a whole bottle of Pimm's for a Pimm's cup, which is like the kind of thing you drink at Wimbledon, or if you're going to a polo match or something fancy like that.
Oh, we do that all the time.
No, we just drink it in our backyard in the summer. But you can also fake it by making your own Pimm's substitute at home. I would do, and this stuff you probably have lying around anyway.
A traditional Pimm's cup, just to clarify for them, is?
Pimm's cup is Pimm's topped with, in England they call it lemonade, but basically it's sparkling lemon lime soda or ginger ale. That's Pimm's cup.
And that's the whole thing. And they stick a cucumber in it.
Yeah, the fun part of Pimm's cups is that you can garnish them with a whole bunch of different things. Apples, cucumbers, citrus, mint, borage, if you have borage growing on your backyard.
Yeah, again, no.
But anyway, if you don't want to buy Pimm's and you have these 3 ingredients anyway in your liquor cabinet...
You can fake it
and make
till you make
Pimm's
it
number 1. What I would do is do 1 part gin, 1 part red vermouth or sweet vermouth, and a half a part of orange liqueur of any kind. And that's going to kind of taste a little bit like Pimm's. Pimm's number 1.
Okay, it's only an hour-long show. Can we make something?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to make this Pimm's cup. So this.
Oh, he's going to use the Pimm's.
I'm using the Pimm's because we only have an hour show. You're going to put...
Because he doesn't have to fake it.
Very simple. Put Pimm's at the bottom of a glass.
I could say so many things right there.
I'm going to just make this a little fruitier by putting in about a half an ounce each of orange, lemon, and lime juice, freshly squeezed at all times.
Oh, so now it's a smoothie and it's really good for you.
Well, I don't know. Well, it's not bad for you.
I'm just joking, John.
It is April Fool's Day. Then we're going to fill that with ice and add our soda. And I don't want to disappoint anyone who wrote letters, so I'm going to spill...
Look at how much...
Spill stuff all over the counter.
I don't even know if you could... Look at that.
Now, the other day, we're in studio, and someone talked about this trick where you're supposed to, if you have a bar spoon, and Ben, who's in the kitchen, a bar spoon twirls around, and there's supposed to be this method whereby you pour a carbonated beverage down that little twirly thing so it keeps the bubbles in and it doesn't overflow.
Like Selma Hayek From Dusk Till Dawn when George Clooney drinks the beer off her foot. That.
So this is...
If you didn't see it, watch it. It's good.
This is absolutely not going to work, but I'm going to give it a shot here.
Oh, my God. He's going to make an even bigger mess.
Look. It's completely not working. All right. Forget that. Just going to pour it in. So you do that. Then you take the spoon and you do that. And then you garnish it with your fruits and veggies. And that's your Pimm's cup.
Okay, honey. I'm good. I'm good.
You good? You don't want some oranges, some lemons? We got some pomegranate here. Maybe some pineapple.
Oh, my God.
Here.
Please get it.
Wait, I want to throw it in there.
I'm good.
Ah, almost made it. All right, cheers.
Wow. Very yummy, honey.
Thank you. Clean up aisle 4.